Dear students, in last video, we have solved some problems from the exercise 3.2c, that is problems related to integral of 1 upon integration of ax plus b upon ax square plus bx plus c with respect to x type. In this video also, we are going to solve the remaining problems from the exercise 3.2c. Okay, let us take an example, that is 7x plus 3 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. Okay students, so this is the type of problem, that means we have to solve by using this method. We have to solve by using this method, that is px plus q upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c with respect to x. Here we express numerator in terms of denominator, then compare coefficient of like power of x on both sides, and then we find out the value of a and b, rewrite the integral, and then we solve. Okay, so here the numerator is 7x plus 3, that is 7x plus 3, that is equal to a into derivative of denominator. Denominator means the term only, that is 3 plus 2x minus x square term, plus b, and this is a into derivative of 3 is 0, plus 2 into derivative of x with respect to x is 1, that's why derivative of 2x is 2, minus derivative of x square is 2x, plus b. Now solve the bracket. 2 into a is 2a minus 2ax plus b, and compare this with 7x plus 3. Now let us take the coefficient of x for the comparison. Here the coefficient of x is minus 2ax, and therefore the value of a is minus 7 by 2. The value of a is minus 7 by 2. Okay. Now the constant term. Here the constant term is 3, and here the constant term is 2a plus b. There is no term containing x. That's why these are the constant term. 2a plus b. Put the value of a from here. We will get, that is 2 into minus 7 by 2 plus b. 2 get cancelled, and here 3 equal to minus 7 plus b, and therefore value of b equal to 10. Okay students, now the integration, that is 7x plus 3 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square with respect to x, and this is equal to, we have to write the integration of the form, that is the numerator 7x plus 3 in the form, that is a into derivative of denominator plus b in the form. Now we will write the numerator. So numerator 7x plus 3, that is a into, what is the value of a? A is minus 7 by 2. That's why minus 7 by 2 into 2 minus 2x plus b. What is the value of b? B is 10 plus b, that is plus 10, upon square root of the denominator term will be as it is, that is 3 plus 2x minus x square with respect to x. Okay students, here there are two terms at the numerator, that means this one term plus this term upon denominator. So separate the terms, we will get, that is minus 7 by 2 we will take outside, integration of, that is 2 minus 2x upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square with respect to x, plus integration of 10 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square with respect to x. Hence, this is the integration of, that is, this is the integration of 7x plus 3 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square, and this is minus 7 by 2. Suppose this is I1 and this is I2. Minus 7 by 2 I1 plus 10 as a constant, and integration of 1 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square is I2. So let us find out the integration first and second, that is integration first is I1, I2. Put the values here and then we will get the solution. Suppose this is 1 in 1. Now let us find out the integration first, that is I1. I1 equal to integration of 2 minus 2x upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. Students, if you observe that, then you will observe that this is integration of the form, that is f dash of x upon square root of f of x with respect to x, and its integration is 2 root f of x. Its integration is 2 root f of x. Okay students, and that's why its integration here f of x is this. This is f of x and this is f dash of x. This is f dash of x, and therefore integration I1 equal to 2 root f of x, that is 2 root 3 plus 2x minus x square. This is the value of I1 that we will put in the expression 1. This is 2. Okay students, now let us find out the I2. What is I2? I2 is integration of 1 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. This is integration of 1 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square with respect to x. This is one of the special type of integral. Convert it into proper form and then we will find out. That is 1 upon integration of 3. Take here the x square. X square is negative, that's why take the negative sign outside the bracket. As usual method, we have solved the number of problems by using this method, that is 3 minus x square, and this is minus 2x. Okay students, with respect to x. Here coefficient of x square is 1, that's why not necessary to divide by anything. Now adjust the terms. Adjust the term for completing the square. For this completing the square, adjust the term. And now we have this is 3 minus x square minus 2x. First we will adjust the term, then we will write in the integral. Okay. So here my b by a is minus 2. Therefore minus 2 square divided by 4. b by a whole square divided by 4 equal to 1. This is the formula for adjustment of the completing the square. Adjustment for the completing square. That's why we have to adjust the term 1. Therefore 3 minus x square minus 2x plus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1, the term we have to adjust here. But see students, this is plus 1. Plus 1 means outside the bracket there is negative sign, and therefore plus minus minus. That means we have adjusted here minus 1, and that's why now we have to adjust here plus 1. Okay, and therefore this is 3 plus 1. This is 3 plus 1, that is 4, minus this is the square of x minus 1 whole square. Okay students, in this way we have adjusted the terms. And now the integration I2, that is equal to 1 upon square root of 3 minus x square minus 2x with respect to x, the term, and that we have adjusted like this, 1 upon square root of 4. 4 means 2 square. Now we will write directly. 4 means 2 square minus x minus 1 whole square with respect to x. Okay students, and now this is of the form integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square. This is integration of the form square root of a square minus x square. Okay, and this is with respect to x, integration is sine inverse of x upon a. Sine inverse of x upon a, and therefore the integration I2, that is 1 upon square root of, that is 2 square minus x minus 1 whole square. This is a and this is x. With respect to x is sine inverse of x means x minus 1 upon 2 in this way. This is the integration I2, and that is the statement 2. Put the value of, this is the statement 3. Put the value of 2 and 3 in 1. We will get. Therefore, we will get the integration. We will get the integration. That is integration of 7x plus 3 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square with respect to x equal to minus 7 by 2 I1. We have find out the integration I1 equal to the integration of I1 that we have find out, that is into 2 into square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. 2 get cancelled, plus 10 into I2. Just we have found out the value of I2, and I2 equal to sine inverse of that is x minus 1 upon 2 plus constant of integration c, and this is minus 7 square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square plus 10 into sine inverse of x minus 1 upon 2 plus constant of integration c, and this is the solution for given problem. Okay students, now the next problem is evaluate the integration of that is 3x plus 4, integration of 3x plus 4 upon square root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x. Okay students, again we have to convert this in the form of, that is numerator 3x plus 4 equal to a into derivative of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x plus b, and the derivative of the term is 4x. 2x square differentiation is 4x plus differentiation of 2x is 2 plus b, and this is equal to 4ax plus 2a plus b compare with 3x plus 4. Now compare the coefficient of x, we will get 4ax, and we get the value of a equal to 3 by 4. Value of a equal to 3 by 4. Now compare the coefficient or compare the constant term. Here constant term is 4, that is 4 equal to the constant term equal to 2a plus b. Put the value of a here, we will get 4 equal to 2 into 3 by 4 plus b, and that is 4 minus, that is 2 to the 4, 4 minus 3 by 2 equal to b, and this is 5 by 2. The value of b equal to 5 by 2. Value of b equal to 5 by 2. And now 3x plus 4, this numerator we can express in terms of denominator like this by using the value of a and b. So numerator in the integration, that is integration of 3x plus 4 upon square root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x equal to, by using this, put the value of a and putting the value of b, we can write the integral, that is 3x plus 4 equal to a into, what is the value of a? A is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 4x plus 2 plus b, b is 5 by 2 upon square root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x. Okay students, and now separating the terms, the integration is this 3 by 4 as a constant, take it outside. Integration of 4x plus 2 upon square root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x, plus the second term is 5 by 2, this term upon this term, plus 5 by 2 upon the term, that is the denominator term, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x, and this is the integration. Okay students, and now integration of 3x plus 4 upon square root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x is 3 by 4, plus suppose this is the first integral and this is the second integral. So 3 by 4 as a constant, take it outside and consider this is the integration first, plus 5 by 2 as a constant and take the integral, consider it as I2. Okay, solve it, that means find out I1 and I2, put the values, we will get the whole integration of given integral. Now let us find out the integration I1. So I1 equal to integration of this, that is integration of 4x plus 2 upon square root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x. And students, this is of the form, that is f dash of x upon f of x, square root of f of x upon square root of f of x with respect to x. This is of the form, that is f dash of x upon square root of f of x, and this is 2 root f of x. Its integration is 2 root f of x. f4x plus 2 is differentiation of the square root term, and hence integration I1 equal to 2 root f of x, that is 2 root 2x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the integration I1. Okay, this is second. Okay students, now let us find out the integration, that is I2. So I2 equal to I2 equal to integration of this term. I2 equal to integration of this term, that is integration of 1 upon square root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x. To simplify it, let us divide by 2. Okay, that means 1 upon square root of 2, because at denominator there is the square root term. That's why divide by 2. 2x square upon 2, that is x square, that is x plus 1 by 2 in the square root. Now simplify the term, that is x square plus x plus 1 by 2. To adjust, for completing the square, we will adjust the term. Okay students, so the middle term b by a is 1 here. b by a is 1. So here b by a equal to 1, 1 by 4, b by 4, that is b by a whole square divided by 4, that is 1 by 4 is the term that we have to adjust. Okay, and therefore this is x square plus x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. And now this is one term and this is another. This is the perfect square, that is x plus 1 by 2 whole square, and its calculation is, that is minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, that is this is 1 by 4. This is, the calculation is 1 by 4. The calculation is 1 by 4, and we can write x square plus x plus 1 by 2, that is equal to x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay students, in this way we have adjusted the term. And now the integration I2 equal to 1 upon square root of 2 integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus x plus 1 by 2 with respect to x is 1 upon square root of 2. We have adjusted the term like this, and this is equal to 1 upon square root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square with respect to x. And student, this integration is of the type 1 upon square root of x square plus a square with respect to x. Its integration is log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. By using this, the integration I2 equal to 1 by root 2 as it is, and log of the value of x means x plus 1 by 2, that is x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square, x plus 1 by 2 whole square, that is x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 square. Okay, in this way. And this is 1 upon square root of 2 log of x plus 1 by 2 plus, we can simplify, this is x square plus x square plus x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and that is equal to 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Okay students, and this is the integration I2, and this is the expression 3. Now from 2 and 3, from this 2 and from this 3, put the value in 1. we will get the integration, that is integration of 3x plus 4 upon square root of 2x square plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x equal to 3 by 4 I1, 3 by 4. The I1 we have find out the value is this, that is 2 into square root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 5 by 2 into I2. The value of I2 we have found out this is 1 upon square root of 2 log of x plus 1 by 2 and plus square root of x square plus x plus 1 by 2 plus constant of integration c, and this much is the solution of the given problem. Okay students, in this way we have to solve the problem. Now the next problem is evaluate the integration of square root of 9 minus x upon x with respect to x. Okay students, for simplify the problem, so to simplify the problem or to convert such type of problem, let us multiply at n and d by square root of 9x. We will get this is square root of 9 minus x upon square root of x into square root of 9 minus x upon square root of 9 minus x. So at the numerator we will get square root of 9 minus x into square root of 9 minus x is 9 minus x upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x. And now this is the our regular form that we have solving the problems of this type. Okay students, now this 9 minus x means the numerator we have to convert in terms of in the form of denominator, that is a into derivative of denominator, derivative of 9x minus x square plus b okay, in this way. And now this is equal to a into derivative of 9x is 9 minus derivative of x square is 2x plus b, and 9 minus x equal to 9a minus 2x plus b. So compare the coefficient of x, we will get this is 2ax. Okay student, this is 2ax. Compare the coefficient of x, and now here that is x equal to 2a minus x equal to minus 2a, and therefore x get cancelled and value of a equal to 1 by 2. Value of a equal to 1 by 2. Now the constant term is 9, that is 9 equal to the constant term is 9a plus b. Put the value of a, you will get that is 9 equal to 9 into 1 by 2 is 9 by 2 plus b, and 9 minus 9 by 2 is 9 by 2, and hence the value of b equal to 9 by 2. Value of b is 9 by 2. Okay students, in this way. Now our integral, that is our integral is integration of 9 minus x upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x equal to 9 minus x we can write in this way, that is a into 9 minus 2x plus b. This is 9 minus x. Okay, so 9 minus x, the numerator, that is integration of 9 minus x is a. What is the value of a is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 9 minus 2x plus b. What is the value of b is 9 by 2 whole with respect to x upon square root of 9x minus x square. Okay students, now separate the terms, and this is equal to the 1/2 as a constant, take it outside. Integration of 9 minus 2x upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x, plus the second term 9 by 2 upon square root of 9x minus x square. So integration of 9 by 2 upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x. So here integration of 9 minus x upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x equal to 1 by 2 integration of 9 minus 2x upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x, plus this 9 by 2 as a constant, take it outside, 1 upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x. Okay students, and this is 1 upon 2 I1 plus 9 by 2 as a I2. This is the integration I1 and this is the integration I2. Now let us solve the first integral, that is I1 equal to integration of 9 minus 2x upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x. Students, this is of the form integration of f dash of x upon square root of f of x with respect to x, and that's why its integration is 2 root f of x, and therefore the integration I1 equal to, that is 2 root f dash of x upon f of x, that's why 9x minus x square. This is the integration I1. Now suppose this is the statement 2 or expression 2, we have to put the value of 2 and 3 in expression 1. Now let us find out I2. The integration I2 equal to, that is integration I2 equal to 1 upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x. So here let us adjust the term, that is 9x minus x square. First common out the negative sign, because the coefficient of x square is minus 1, that's why the outside the bracket we have taken the negative sign, that's why we can write this as minus bracket x square minus 9x. And now adjust the term, that is b by a whole square. B by a is minus 9 whole square is 81, minus 9 whole square upon 4, and that's why we have to adjust the term 81 by 4. Okay students, and therefore this is equal to minus x square minus 9x plus 81 by 4 minus 81 by 4. But see students, because of the negative sign outside the bracket, here we have adjusted minus 81 by 4, plus minus minus. That's why minus 81 by 4 here and plus 81 by 4 here. And that's why this 9x minus x square, this is equal to 81 by 4, 81 by 4, and minus this is the square of x minus 9 by 2 whole square. X minus 9 by 2 whole square. Okay students, and therefore integration, that is I2 equal to 1 upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x equal to integration of 1 upon 81 upon 4, we can write 9 upon 2 whole square minus this is x minus 9 by 2 whole square, that is in square root with respect to x. This is square root of. This is 9 by 2 whole square. Okay students, and this is integration of the form. This is integration of the form 1 upon square root of a square minus x square with respect to x, and that's why its integration is sine inverse of x by a. Its integration is sine inverse of x by a, and therefore the integration I2, that is equal to sine inverse of x by a. The value of x is x minus 9 by 2 upon 9 by 2 and that is equal to sine inverse of 2x minus 9 upon 9. This is the integration I2. Okay students, this is 3, and in this way put the value of 2 and 3 in 1. We will get the integration of that is integration of 9 minus x upon square root of 9x minus x square with respect to x equal to 1/2 I1. What is the value of I1? The value of I1 is 2 into square root of 9x minus x square plus 9 by 2, the value of I2. The integration I2 we have found out, that is sine inverse of, this is sine inverse of 2x minus 9 upon 9 plus constant of integration c. This is the solution for the integration, and this is the solution for the problem, that is integration of square root of 9 minus x upon x with respect to x. Okay students, in this way the problems that we have to solve. Now let us take an example as a homework for you, that is evaluate. This is the homework problem. Please solve it. That is integrate square root of x minus 7 upon x minus 9 with respect to x. The same way the problem you have to solve students, that is multiply at n and d by x square root of x minus 7. The problem will simplify, that is square root of x minus 7 into square root of x minus 7 upon square root of x minus 9 into square root of x minus 7. And you will simplify the problem, and by same method just we have solved. By using that method you have to complete the problem, okay, and send it to me on my WhatsApp.